Hi, to change your default email app on iPhone 16e, you need to open Settings first. So go in your phone settings and scroll all the way down to find this last section, Apps. Select it and go in Default Apps. So here you can manage which apps your iPhone will use automatically for sending emails, browsing the web, and more. We are interested in email, so let's pick this section. And now, if you got any different email apps like Gmail, for example, like in my case, then you will see it in this list. So from this default Apple's Mail app, I can switch to Gmail by tapping it, and now Gmail will be used to compose new emails. So to save changes, just use this back arrow. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.